In this video, we will talk about how to find dependent events. A deck of cards has 10 red cards and 4 blue cards. You choose one card. Without replacing the first card, you choose another one. What is the probability that you will choose a blue card and then a red card? Notice our keyword says without replacing. The first probability says choosing a blue card. In this example, there are 4 blue cards out of a total of 14 cards. 10 plus 4 is 14. But it does say without replacing. So if we took one of those cards away, we are now left with 13 total cards. Now we need to find the probability of choosing a red card from the 13 total left. In this example, it says there are 10 red cards. That means we would be able to choose 10 red cards out of 13 total cards because we've taken one blue card away. Now we're ready to multiply. I could go ahead and multiply straight across here. If I did, I would be multiplying 4 times 10, and I get 40. And then I would be multiplying 14 times 13, and I get 182. But then it'll be a long road to simplify. I could start just maybe simplify by 2. If I cut both of these in half, 40 divided by 2 is 20. 182 divided by 2 is 91. And 20 and 91 don't have anything else in common, so this would be my final answer. I did want to show you a shortcut though. I could simplify 4/14 before I started multiplying. 4/14 simplifies to 2 over 7. So now I'm just left with 2/7 times 10/13. 2 times 10 is 20. And if you take 7 and multiply that by 13, you get 91 right away. So that would just be a simpler way to finding your answer. Again, notice that without replacing means to take away an outcome. So that means we started with 14 cards and we took one away, so we were down to 13 total cards.